Hello, my name is Komal Kritika Goundan and my student ID is S1114272 and the topic that I will be discussing is Earth and Beyond, and the title of my lesson will be Exploring Our Solar System for year 6. Good morning class.
Good morning, madam.
So how are you all today?
Fine, how are you?
Right, so all of you put on your maths books away and take out your elementary science book.
Yes, madam.
Right, 3, 2, 1, all eyes on me. Good. So we'll begin with our class. So today will be our main topic is exploring our solar system. Okay, children. Before we begin with our lesson today, what comes in your mind when you hear the word solar system? What are some of the keywords that come into your mind?
Earth.
Good. Earth. What else?
Sun.
Sun. Right. We get to know comets, asteroids. Right. So, have you seen a picture or in a movie? Have you seen the solar system? Right. We have seen it in movies. When we see adventurous or science film movies, we see our solar system there in some of it, and also on internet pictures. Right. So as we begin today, we are going to learn. Our main focus will be to explain the features of our solar system, and we'll also identify the 8 planets and its feature. So we'll begin. What is solar system? Solar system, it is the collection of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, dust and gases that orbit around the sun, that moves around the sun. Right. How many planets are there in the solar system?
8.
Good, Kajol. Right. So there are 8 planets, and these 8 planets, they have its own features. It has its own colors that we can distinguish between. So the first planet, what is it? It is Mercury. So the feature of Mercury, it is the smallest planet in our solar system. And the color of it is gray. And its composition is rocky. And it is closest to the sun. Second planet that we have is Venus. Same as size of the Earth, yellowish white in color, composition is rocky, and the feature is hottest planet with thick toxic atmosphere. Third planet, Earth, and it is the planet that we live on. So it is medium in size, the color is green, blue and white, composition is rocky, and the feature is only planet with life and has liquid water. Fourth planet, it is Mars, smaller than Earth, red, rocky, also known as red planet, has largest volcano. Class, have you noticed anything in these 4 planets that is similar?
Yes.
Right. So in these 4 planets are the inner planets in our solar system, and their composition is very similar. It is rocky. Its composition is rocky. And if we move to the outer, in the outer orbits, then we have Jupiter. It is the largest, and the color is orange, white, and brown. It is made up of gas, that is helium and hydrogen, and its feature is great red spot storm, has many moons. 6, Saturn, very large, pale yellow in color, gas, and has ring. Its main feature, if we see in our solar system, the planet with rings, that's Saturn. Then we have Uranus, large, blue-green in color, composition is ice and gas, rotates on its own. And the last planet that we have is Neptune. Large, deep blue, ice and gas, and its feature is greatest ring in the solar system. Class, so as we see, if we go to the outer part of the solar system, the composition is gas. It is made up of gas. And what else do you find interesting about this? 8 planets. Their color, they have unique color features, and also some has rings, some has many moons. Right. So as we go further, this is our solar system. Its center is Sun. These are our inner planets, and these are our outer planets. And this is the asteroid belt. It is made up of dust particles. So to get to know more better, we will watch a short video. Then we will know about our solar system.
Solar system and the planets that it contains. The Sun. Did you know that the Sun that warms and brightens our world is actually a medium-sized star? You heard right. The Sun is a star because it radiates heat and light into the outer space. The Sun is the closest star to our Earth. It forms the center of our solar system. Our solar system consists of the Sun and everything bound to it.
Okay, children. So we have seen how our 8 planets are being positioned in the orbit. So now we will look at our solar system as in general. So the solar system, it is of the shape is oval, elliptical shape, and Sun is in the center. As we saw in our diagram, Sun is the center of our solar system. Always full of movement, 8 planets, and their moons along with other space particles orbit the Sun. So if we see these planets, they orbit around the Sun, and we also see comets, these dust particles orbiting around the Sun. The Sun is the greatest object in the solar system. Children, what do we call the person who studies about space? Yes, Dima. Yes, they are called astronomers. Good girl. So, I have a question for you all. As we read in our notes, what is in the center of our solar system?
Sun.
Good. And which planet is the hottest?
Venus.
Good, children. So, I'll divide you all into your groups. So, you get into 8 groups. We'll have our group work. Each group, I'll give you one paper each. With these characteristics, you draw a planet each. Group 1 to group 8. Take one planet each. It's on your paper. You draw it, and then we'll discuss its feature. Right. We'll have our group discussion. Right? Each group will stand up with its members and will discuss what have you learned about each planet. Thank you, class, for your wonderful discussion and your creative work that you displayed on your paper. So, class, what did you learn today in class? Right, we learned about 8 planets and its feature, and we also saw how our solar system is organized in the space. And what shape is what is the shape of our solar system?
Oval.
Right, it is of oval shape. It is in the shape of an egg. Right. And what is in the center?
Sun.
Good. Right. Now, I want you all to note down the notes, and then I'll be distributing your homework questions that you will be taking home and doing it, and then tomorrow we will discuss more on our solar system. And also when you go home, ask your parents, research about it more that you find interesting about our solar system. So tomorrow when we have our class, then you'll be discussing what did you find interesting.